Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can turn off the game mode on your iPad. So most likely you are referring to the gaming focus mode. So if you head over to your settings right away, in the left panel, you should be able to find the focus section. So if you click on focus, there are a bunch of different focus modes, for example, driving or gaming, languages, and so on. But as I say, one of them is the gaming, right? And for me, it is set up that it blocks some notifications, some apps, contacts, and so on. So you're gonna set it up so nobody kind of like disturbs you or you don't get any notifications during the game mode. But what might happen is that it turns on automatically. For example, I have the schedule in place that whenever I connect a wireless controller, the focus mode gets enabled. Or when I open up the chess game, right? So that's another condition when it turns on automatically. So if you want to stop that, just make sure you disable the scheduling like that, or just delete the schedule completely, right? And then the gaming mode is not going to be turned on. Obviously, there are even other schedules like based on a time, location, app, or a smart activation. So make sure that it doesn't turn on without you wanting to be turned on. So that's how you can prevent it from being enabled when you don't wish it to be. But if it already is turned on, you can find it in the control center. So when you click on the focus, it should look like this. So now the gaming mode is turned on. You can even see it right there in the corner, the game icon, that it is enabled. So if you want to just stop it and go to control center and unclick the gaming mode, and that's how you stopped it. And since we also disable the scheduling and automatic options, it is not going to turn on ever again. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think about this video below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the tutorial right now, and I'll see you later in the future videos.